welcome back to my show. Today where we're talking about how to pick a college course that's right for you, and it's a big choice, but it doesn't have to be scary. This title is Choosing the Right College Course. First thing to think about is, what do you like to do? If you love working with numbers and solving problems, then courses like math, engineering, or accounting might be good for you. If you enjoy helping other people's, think about nursing or teaching. I know someone who picked a course just because their parents wanted them to, is someone who were really unhappy. So make sure you pick something that interests you. Next is what you can see yourself doing later. Think about the job you might get after college. For example, if you take a course in computer work, you could fix machines or make apps. If you study agriculture, you might work on farms or help grow better food. You don't have to know exactly what job you want, but instead, it helps you to have an idea of what kind of works you'd like to do or try. Another thing is, do you have the skills for it? If a course needs a lot of writing but you find that hard, you might want to pick something else or be ready to practice and get better. Some courses need you to be good with your hands, like building or cooking. Talking to teacher or student who take that course might help you. Ask them what skills you need. Though that way you will know what to expect. Last tip is check what the course is like. Go to college opening days if you can. Walk around the place and see the classroom. Ask about what you learn each day. Some courses have more classes. Others let you work on your own a lot. Make sure the way they teach fits how you like to learn. Remember, there's no one there's no perfect course for everyone. Take, take your time to think about it and pick something that feels right for you. Don't depend to other people for your choice of course. And that's all. Thanks for listening today. Have you started thinking about what course you might take? Let us know next time.